Wanted to do a review on OXY-BOOST, which is the oxygen bleach. It's a 20-pound powdered bag. I'll tell you things I like about it and one thing to watch out for. Firstly, I'll just go ahead and actually start with the negative. When this was shipped to my house, it arrived with a bag that had a little bit of punctured holes, so some of this powder was seeping out. I went ahead and transferred it to a bigger bag and closed it up with a garbage bag. This is made in America, specifically Wisconsin. In the ingredients, it has something called sodium percarbonate. That is the reason why I went for this product. I did a lot of research on this chemical, and essentially I needed to use it for my laundry. There are so many uses for this product, but unlike chlorine bleach, EcoGeek's OXY-BOOST actually breaks down the organic stains and removes them. It contains the highest allowed concentration of available active oxygen and is uniquely formulated to work in all water types and temperatures. I add this in all my laundry loads, and the results are better than OxyClean. I also use this to clean different things around the house. For instance, my bathtub. With this product, it became super white, and also my carpets around the house. This is a phenomenal carpet cleaner. To conclude, I will say that this is a very high quality cleaning product.